Hello, I'm Dr. Arthur D. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. In my last video, I stated that I would connect one of my Leslie amplifiers to my new Variac to demonstrate for you how I use the Variac here in my shop to generate current to the Leslie amplifier so that I can then check the voltages in the amplifier. So I have everything set up to do that. Here we go. So you can see here the Variac, and I have my Fluke multimeter, and underneath this shield is a Leslie 122 amplifier. Alright. I was taught to cover my amps before powering them up by my mentor John Doyle up in Detroit, just in case there was an explosion. And so I follow that shop procedure. So what I'm going to do is turn on the power to the Variac here. I have my cable, the adapter, plugged into the output of the output plug of the Leslie amplifier. Okay, so I'm ready to turn on the Variac, and I'm going to now slowly vary the amount of voltage up to 117 volts. Okay, so now we have 117 volts of electricity running through this amplifier. I can remove this. I have the black wire here is going to ground, and I can now proceed to check my voltages. This is extremely dangerous, so unless you've been trained to do this, you do not want to do this. Here we go. Okay. Then I come over here. $486. Come over here. 486. And then I want to come here to the top of cathode. Measure that. All right. Okay, so that's that for the live voltage check on those basic areas. And as you can see, this Variac is functioning, it's working. And now we're going to power it down. Turn it off. Remove my plug. Remove this. And this amplifier, I've played it. It sounds very, very good. It's a wonderful sounding amplifier. In fact, I've already made a video with my playing this amplifier, so you can check that out here on YouTube. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how I use this Variac, and not only do I use it here on this bench, but I also take it back to my electronic shop. So I actually set it on the desk, and I can do even more voltage checks. You can put tubes in the amp, so forth, and check the voltage on the 12AU7s, so or the 12AU7 tube, and socket. So I'm able to do more now than I could before with the Variac. Prior to having the Variac, I had to connect the Leslie amp to my organs here in the room. So I had to connect an organ here, either the B3 or A100 organ, to the amplifier, and I couldn't do that in my shop room unless I connected it to a longer cable. I could have used a 50-foot cable to run that, but I was bringing everything out into this room to set it up here. By now, all I have to do is move my Variac to where I want it to be, and I can do my functional voltage checks on my amplifiers. Alright, so that's enough for this video. So until the next video, this is Dr. Arthur D. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, bidding to you a wonderful evening. Goodbye.